Step into the unknown, Mystery Seeker, where the mystery unfolds. On an ordinary afternoon in November 1971, passengers gathered at a busy airport in the United States preparing for another route flight. Nothing seemed unusual about that day. Travelers waited patiently with their luggage, employees worked behind counters, and airplanes moved in and out of the runway. Yet hidden among the passengers was a quiet man who would soon become part of the one of the greatest unsolved mysteries in aviation history. The man appeared calm and professional. He was dressed neatly in dark business suit, wearing sunglasses and carrying a simple briefcase. Nothing about him seemed suspicious to the airline staff or the passengers around him. In fact, he looked exactly like many other businessmen traveling for work. That ordinary appearance would later become part of the mystery because nobody realized they were watching a man who would soon disappear into legend. He purchased a ticket for a short flight traveling from Portland to Seattle. The trip was expected to take less than an hour, a routine journey that happened hundreds of times every week. After receiving his boarding pass, the mysterious traveler calmly walked toward the plane. No one stopped him, and no one questioned him. To everyone's watching, he was just another passenger beginning an ordinary trip. Inside the aircraft, passengers took their seats as the crew prepared for takeoff. The cabin was quiet, filled with the usual sounds of people settling in, adjusting bags, and speaking softly with each other. The man in the suit chose a seat near the back of the airplane. He appeared relaxed, ordering a drink and observing the cabin with quiet attention. Shortly after the plane took off, the mysterious traveler quietly handed a small note to one of the flight attendants. At first, she thought it might simply be a phone number or a friendly message from a passenger. However, when she read the note carefully, she realized it was something very different. The message stated that the man was carrying a dangerous device and demanded that she sit beside him immediately. The flight attendant felt a sudden wave of shock and concern, but she remained calm. She quietly sat next to the man and asked what he wanted. The traveler opened his briefcase slightly, just enough for her to glimpse what appeared to be several wires and unusual objects inside. The sight convinced her that the situation might be serious, and she listened carefully to his instructions. The man calmly explained his demands. He requested a large amount of money and several parachutes. His voice remained steady and controlled, never raising suspicion among the other passengers. He insisted that no one should panic and the plane should follow his instructions carefully once it landed. Meanwhile, the flight crew informed the pilots about the situation. The aircraft continued flying towards Seattle while authorities on the ground began preparing to respond. The crew remained professional and calm, ensuring that the passengers were aware of the tension slowly building behind the scenes. As the plane approached its destination, the sun began to set, covering the sky in deep orange and purple colors. Passengers looked out the windows, unaware that something extraordinary was unfolding on board. For them, the journey still felt like an ordinary flight, but for the crew, every moment felt heavy with uncertainty. When the plane finally landed in Seattle, the situation became even more tense. Authorities quietly arranged the items requested by the mysterious passenger. The goal was simple: keep everyone safe and avoid any panic among the passengers. One by one, the passengers were allowed to leave the aircraft. Most of them had no idea that they had just been part of an unusual event. They simply walked through the airport thinking their flight had experienced a small delay. Inside the plane, the mysterious traveler remained calm. He carefully watched as his demands were delivered. The crew members nearby could not fully understand his motives. Was he desperate? Was he planning something bigger? No one knew. Eventually, the plane prepared to take off again. This time, only a few crew members remained on board with the passenger. The aircraft climbed back into the night sky, flying towards the darkness above the mountains. As the plane flew through the cold night air, the traveler quietly waited. Outside the windows, the landscape below was covered in darkness, forest stretching endlessly beneath the clouds. After some time, the man prepared for the most shocking part of his plan. He gathered the parachutes and the money before moving towards the rear of the aircraft. The crew watched nervously, unsure what would happen next. The traveler remained surprisingly calm, almost as if everything was carefully planned long before that day. Suddenly, the rear stairs of the aircraft were lowered while the plane was still flying. Cold air rushed into the cabin as the dark sky waited outside. Then, in one bold moment, the mysterious man stepped out into the night. Somewhere far below, forests and rivers stretched across the land. If he survived the jump, he would disappear into one of the most remote landscapes in the region. When the plane finally landed later that night, investigators quickly began searching for clues. Authorities studied every detail, hoping to discover who the mysterious traveler really was. Search terms explored forests and mountains, but the land was vast and unforgiving. Days turned into weeks and weeks turned into months, yet no clear answer appeared. The story soon captured the attention of the entire country. Newspapers reported the strange mystery of the unknown sky traveler. People began asking the same question: who was this man? Was he an expert planner who escaped successfully? Or did the dangerous jump into darkness lead to a tragic ending? Decades have passed, but the mystery remains unsolved. And somewhere in the history, the legend of the man known as D.B. Cooper continues to fascinate the world. What do you think happened to him that day? Leave your opinions in the comments. Thanks for watching Mystery Seekers, where mysteries unfold and get unlocked.